Hi, this is Tom Olszewski with Coldwell Banker and Team Olszewski. We have just finished the third quarter of 2019 and we're heading to the year end and the fourth quarter. I've been creating these market reports quarterly, and if you find them useful, please hit the like button and subscribe button. This is the Murrieta Real Estate Market Update. So in this video, I will be providing detailed updates on how the Murrieta Real Estate Market ended up at the third quarter of 2019 overall, and to give you somewhat of an idea on what the experts are saying the rest of 2019 real estate market will be looking like. The Murrieta Real Estate Market remains steady and is still in a seller's market overall. Not a crazy seller's market like we saw in the spring of 2018, but still strong with only 2.9 months of inventory and homes on average selling in about 26 days if priced right. Even though the number of active listings is lower than a year ago, the total number of sales is actually up. And as we head into the fourth quarter, we are seeing the usual decline in the number of total active listings as we leave the prime time for real estate during the summer months. As I had stated previously, if anything, it's a better market to buy and sell, as affordability is good, driven by low interest rates at 3.75%. Let's see how the overall real estate market looked ending up the third quarter of 2019 overall, and take a look at this last month year over year. So let's see what the detailed numbers look like here in Murrieta. First, we will look at the closed sales in Murrieta at the end of September. At the end of September 2019, there were a total of 228 closed sales in the city of Murrieta of all price ranges and types of homes. This compares to 194 closed sales at the end of September 2018, which is a year-over-year increase of about 17.5%. The number of sales has peaked so far this year in May with 278 homes sold. The biggest decline occurred in the 900K and above segment, down 40% year over year. The biggest surprise came in the 700 to 899 price segment that had previously struggled but had 6 sales with an increase of 200% year over year. Next, we will take a look at the number of active listings. I have a slide on this to show the decrease in listings. At the end of September, there were 602 active listings in the city of Murrieta, which is down from 782 the previous year, decreasing 23%. This has been decreasing slightly since June, and all segments decrease, with the 400 to 699 or less having the largest decrease at 26.5% year over year. It is important to understand these numbers, so if you want to sell your home, it has to look great to get top dollar with the additional competition we have. We can help you with that, and if you go to our new video blog, I have a video covering what top 5 things you can do to get top dollar when you sell, and other tips. The next important number we will look at is how many months of supply of listings do we have in Murrieta. This, along with the number of sales, indicates what type of market we have today. Where are we ending up the third quarter of 2019? Are we still in a seller's market, or was there a shift? Well, the data as of the end of September shows 2.9 months of inventory available for buyers, down 25.6%, with the neutral point being 6 months. We are definitely still in a seller's marketplace overall. Just like I said, not a crazy seller's market like we had last year. Because of the diverse types of property we have here in Murrieta, there is a difference depending upon what price segment you are interested in. The two bookends of opposite ends of the spectrum are the under 400K segment that has only 2.3 months supply, making it for a very tight segment for buyers. The other end of the spectrum is the over 900K segment that now has 12.6 months supply, and that has actually decreased 28%, making this segment a strong buyer's market. If you have questions about your specific neighborhood or home, please give me a call or send an email and I can give you specifics for your area in Murrieta and your home. Are home values still increasing here in Murrieta? Well, the median sales price for September in Murrieta overall is $434,500. This compares to the beginning of 2019, where the median sales price in Murrieta was $409,445. This shows about a 1.1% increase year over year, and again, it's important to know that this combines all types of homes and price points. This overall number has a big dependency with how many lower priced homes and higher priced homes sell. The biggest segment increase was actually the over 900K, increasing 11.1% year over year. The under 400K segment had a decrease of 0.1%. It is different for different areas within Murrieta, and with a large number of brand new homes, estate homes, older homes, housing growth will still maintain about a 4.4% growth rate for the West Coast in 2019 overall, the experts are predicting. Even should we see an economic slowdown in 2020, values are still predicted to increase in value overall about 2.8%. So just to show you that the market is still strong, here are the numbers pertaining to the percentage of sales price to the original list price. Homes overall in Murrieta sold at 98.6% overall, increasing slightly by 2%. In general, I'm saying, again, if a home is not in great shape, it's going to sell for less or sit. There is enough inventory now where buyers have multiple homes to choose from. Every home, regardless of the year built, has a completely updated price and a needs work price, or somewhere in between. As an example, the overall 900K price range only sells at 92.8% of the original price. The next number to be aware of is the number of days a home stays on the market before selling. For Murrieta at the end of September, that number was 26 days. This number reflects a 10.3% decrease year over year. This is the difference between the lower inventory last year and more homes on the market this point in the year. The last item I wanted to quickly provide an update on is how our mortgage rates are currently looking. Rates have actually decreased again, and at the midpoint of 2019, recent rates are floating around 3.75% for a 30-year fixed. FHA VA is about 3.5% depending upon the lender, down slightly again. Rates have definitely not increased like the experts were thinking they would this year so far, but they are expected to rise slightly in the first half of 2020. So if you've been thinking about buying your first home or upsizing or downsizing and need a loan this fall and coming winter, is still a great time to sell and buy before the rates go up. I hope this market update has been helpful. If you have been thinking about buying or selling and would like more information, please feel free to contact me directly at 951-506-5744 or via email at tom@timolsuski.com. There will be a slide at the end of this video on ways to contact us. The bottom line, as I see it, is it's still a great time to buy and sell with still low interest rates and more inventory to pick from when buying. Last year I heard from many sellers that they were worried they couldn't find anything to buy if they sold or put their home on the market, and some of them actually tried and then took their home off the market when they couldn't find what they wanted. Now is the time to revisit this and make the move. This is Tom Olszewski with Team Olszewski and Coldwell Banker signing out. Make it a great day.